In this video, we're going to learn how to add easy transitions in DaVinci Resolve. Make sure your clips are already placed in the timeline, then switch to the Edit tab from the bottom of the screen. DaVinci Resolve gives you many built-in transitions that are simple to use. Go to the top left corner and click on the Effects button to open the Effects panel. Inside this panel, switch to the Video Transitions tab. Here, you'll find a large variety of transitions. Now move your playhead to where you want to add a transition. In this case, we want to place it between two clips. If you move your mouse over any of the transitions, you'll see a live preview. Just drag your cursor from the beginning to the end of the transition to see how it will look. Sometimes when you try to drag a transition between clips, nothing happens. This usually means you don't have extra footage at the end of one clip or at the beginning of the next. Transitions need some extra frames to blend the two clips together. To fix this, go to the middle toolbar and select the Trim Edit tool. Then, go to the first clip and place the cursor at the end. Click and drag it slightly to the left to trim a bit of the footage. Then, do the same at the beginning of the next clip by dragging to the right. This gives enough space for the transition to work. Now, you can simply drag and drop any transition between the two clips. Once added, press play to watch the result. You can adjust the duration of the transition by opening the Inspector panel, or you can just click and drag the sides of the transition in the timeline to make it shorter or longer. That's how to add easy transitions in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching.